Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in a Big Bend trim and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats, and on either side you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, a 12-volt power outlet, and on the opposite side you have the power button for your cargo lights that can be articulated to shine wherever you need them. And underneath this rugged cargo cover, you have your spare wheel with some extra room for other equipment. Then looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with fold-out armrests and two cup holders in the middle, as well as having a USB and USB-C down there. And the backs of the seats have zippered pouches for storage and molly rigging to hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip information, My View with a digital speedometer, driver assistance features and settings, audio controls, phone controls, and further information about your vehicle. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of your signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle. Moving down, you have your media controls, as well as your auto start stop shut off and your hazards. Before I forget, shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera as well. And moving down again, you have this little tray here, and then you have your climate controls with heated front seats so you can stay warm. Below that, you have this tray area with a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge, as well as having a 12-volt USB and USB-C. Moving on to your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. Two cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and goat mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest, which is relatively spacious with another USB and USB-C inside. And last but not least, looking up, you have a power moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.